Starting freelancing with zero experience is entirely possible, but it will require dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Here are some steps to help you kickstart your freelancing journey. Identify your skills. Take some time to assess your skills and interests. Think about what you're good at or passionate about. It could be anything from writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assistants, or even something unique. Build a portfolio. Even without prior work experience, you can create a portfolio that showcases your abilities. For example, if you're a writer, you can write sample articles or blog posts on topics that interest you. If you're a graphic designer, create some design samples. Your portfolio will demonstrate your potential to prospective clients. Offer pro bono work. To gain some initial experience and positive testimonials, consider offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to friends, family, or local nonprofits. This will help you build credibility and confidence. Utilize freelance platforms. There are various online platforms where you can find freelance opportunities, such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. Create an account and start applying for projects that align with your skills and interests. Networking. Connect with other freelancers, professionals, and potential clients through social media, LinkedIn, and online forums related to your field. Engage in conversations, join relevant groups, and attend networking events if possible. Be competitive with pricing. As a beginner, it might be necessary to offer competitive rates to attract clients. Once you've built a strong portfolio and gained some experience, you can gradually increase your prices. Deliver quality work. Always strive to deliver high-quality work to your clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to provide positive feedback and refer you to others, which can lead to more opportunities. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, tools, and techniques related to your freelancing niche. Continuous learning will not only improve your skills but also make you more valuable to clients. Time management. Freelancing requires discipline and effective time management. Clear deadlines for yourself and prioritize your tasks to meet clients' expectations. Handle rejections positively. Rejections are part of the freelancing journey. Rejections are part of the freelancing journey. Instead, use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Deliver high-quality work. Focus on providing exceptional service to your clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend you to others. Be professional. Communicate clearly and professionally with clients. Meet deadlines, be responsive, and be open to feedback. Market yourself. Promote your freelancing services through social media, your own website, or blog. Showcase your expertise, share helpful content, and let people know you're available for work. Be patient and persistent. Building a freelancing career takes time. Don't get discouraged by rejections or slow progress. Stay persistent, and with consistent effort, you'll start seeing results. Freelancing is a journey of continuous learning and growth. Over time, you'll gain experience, build a reputation, and attract more clients. Stay committed to improving your skills and delivering value to clients, and your freelancing career will thrive. Remember that building a successful freelancing career takes time, so be patient and persistent. With dedication and a commitment to honing your skills, you can gradually grow your freelancing business and gain more experience and opportunities along the way.